All right, we've made it to Uranus. That's right, I said Uranus. Home from the famous fudge factory. Route 66, Uranus. Fudge factory. The finest fudge comes from Uranus. It's a whole sideshow attraction here. We got the freeway right there, and then Route 66, we got cars coming in, cars passing by. We got a dinosaur over there and a play set for kids. Old fire truck. Oh, it's the Uranus Fire Department. Things can sometimes get hot in Uranus. You need a fire department to service all your needs. You get a tattoo while you're here. Also, we're gonna see the world's largest belt buckle. It's here, I heard. It's the world's largest belt buckle. I don't know where it is, but there's a sign that says right there. It's pointing over this direction. World's largest belt buckle. You gotta be careful too, because if you mess around too much in Uranus, you'll end up in the Uranus jail. You don't want to get Uranus in jail. I mean, in jail in Uranus. Uranus Police Department. Man, there's a lot of Uranus stuff going on here. General stores over there. We're gonna head over there, get some fudge. We're gonna pack it in the truck real nice. Gotta keep your fudge packed very, very tightly when you're traveling. This old cat's in his Corvette here. Oh, it's a Stingray too. They're about to get some fudge too. Uranus fudge from Uranus. Historic Route 66, Uranus, Missouri.